If you want to get rid of glasses in today's time, the good news is that in 2025, two revolutionary technologies have come in place. First is Schwind CustomEyes and second is CLEAR Neo by Ziemer. Both are considered among the most modern and safest vision correction techniques in the world. In this video, I'll explain the various situations in which doctor recommends either CustomEyes or CLEAR Neo. So laser vision correction is primarily done in three ways. The first category is flap-based procedure. In this, surgeon creates a flap on the cornea with the help of femtosecond laser or blade, lifts it, then uses a laser to reshape the stromal bed to correct your vision, and finally places the flap back. Today, this is considered relatively older technique. Complications can occur during flap creation. Sometimes the flap may not form correctly. Even in the future, the flap can lead to issues like dislocation, epithelial ingrowth, corneal folds and striae, and long-term dry eyes. This is why modern surgeons prefer flapless surgery, procedure where no flap is created. There are two types of such surgeries. First, surface ablation procedure, the most advanced in this category being CustomEyes. Second, lenticule-based procedure, most advanced in this category being CLEAR Neo. Both are considered safer, more stable and more reliable long-term options, especially for young and active patients. Let's now understand how these procedures work. Surface ablation techniques like SmartSurf or CustomEyes only involve opening the eyes and applying the excimer laser. No cuts, no tools, no complication. These are touchless, single-step procedures. Among all the LASIK type, flapless, touchless surgeries are considered the safest. Now let's move to lenticule-based procedures like CLEAR Neo by Ziemer. In this, a small dish-shaped tissue called lenticule is created inside the cornea using laser and then removed by a tiny microincision. Since the eye surface is untouched, there is no risk of flap-related complication, and due to minimal disruption on the ocular surface, there is almost no dryness and healing is super fast. That's why doctors today give more preference to surface ablation and lenticule-based procedure as they are safer, more precise and more reliable in long term. Now let's understand in which situation these are preferred. First situation, which procedure is best for plus power? If you have plus power or hyperopia, then Schwind CustomEyes is best option. This technique provides personalized and highly accurate correction, especially for complex prescription. Using CustomEyes or SmartSurf, power up to +6 can be corrected easily. Second, which procedure is better for patient with thin or irregular cornea? CustomEyes is best for those with thin or irregular cornea since it doesn't involve flap creation or lenticule removal. Corneal manipulation is minimal, thus no increase in corneal weakness. Additionally, CustomEyes includes corneal polishing. So if you have irregular cornea, CustomEyes provides corneal polishing, thus making it smooth, which enhances clarity and provides HD vision. That's why it's ideal for irregular corneas also. Third, which procedure is best for high power? For powers above -6, CLEAR Neo is preferred. In surface ablation procedure, excimer laser is used and higher power means more laser usage, leading to more dryness and minor complications. But in CLEAR Neo, lenticule are created using femtosecond laser and higher power doesn't pose additional risk. Fourth, which procedure offers the fastest recovery? CLEAR Neo offers fastest recovery. You can resume normal activities the very next day. Because corneal tissue is minimally disrupted, healing is faster and more natural. Compared to other traditional eye surgeries, patient experiences less discomfort and quicker visual recovery. Fifth, which procedure is best for dry eyes? If you have dry eyes, CLEAR Neo is a great option. It preserves the ocular surface, so there is minimal risk of dryness. In contrast, excimer laser in surface ablation may cause slight dryness, which usually improves with medication. Sixth, which procedure is better for those in high physical activity roles like defense or sports? Both procedure, CustomEyes and CLEAR Neo, are great for athletes and active individuals as they are flapless, eliminating the risk of flap displacement. However, if you're preparing for defense services where LASIK is sometimes not allowed due to visible surgical marks, surface ablation procedure like SmartSurf or CustomEyes are better because they leave no detectable mark on medical examinations. Seventh, which is more budget-friendly option? Surface ablation procedure are generally more affordable than lenticule-based ones. While cost of surface ablation procedure at EyeMantra starts at 12,000 per eye, cost of lenticule extraction starts at 50,000 per eye. Eighth, which procedure is better for people with pre-existing eye conditions like retinal disease or glaucoma? In such cases, surface ablation procedure like CustomEyes are best as they don't involve vacuum, suction or added pressure on the eye, therefore minimizing the risk of worsening other conditions. Ninth, how to choose based on personal preference. If you want a touchless, safe and hassle-free surgery, go for surface ablation. If your priority is tissue preservation and long-term corneal stability, then also CustomEyes is the better option. But if you want safety with super fast recovery, ready to resume work in 1 to 2 days, CLEAR Neo is ideal for you. Also, if you have dry eyes or high myopia with power of greater than 6, CLEAR Neo should be your preference. Lastly, which one should you choose, CustomEyes or CLEAR Neo? Both are excellent procedure, but the best choice can only be made after consultation with an experienced eye surgeon. The doctor will assess your eyesight, corneal health and lifestyle to recommend the best suited procedure. If you also want to get rid of your glasses and are confused about which procedure to choose, call our helpline number today to book a free consultation. And if you still have any doubts, feel free to ask us in comments.